All right, how's everyone doing? I'm Rich Celenza. Thanks for checking out my channel. I'm downtown Utah, Salt Lake City. And I'm gonna go to Pulp Lifestyle Kitchen behind me here. When I do come here, I like to try different smoothie places or healthy restaurants. So I'm gonna give this a shot. It was recommended to me. And let's go inside and check it out. All right, I forgot my headphones in the car. So hopefully you can hear me, but here is what they are all about. A lot of different things here. Obviously you can take these to go. Different sandwiches, some fruit salads, just different things. Here is a pretty cool looking design, which I am going to use for the photo. Some different drinks and shots. I got this one, the double face plant. She recommended that one. They got a lot of different styles here. Cold pressed juices. Here is the menu. I ended up getting an Origin of Species acai bowl, but as you can tell, they have a lot of different drinks here. Different salads. And later. Really cool names here. Alright, early stuff. It's a beautiful spot. There's some specialty beverages, some lemonades, lemongrass, ginger ale, coffee. Yeah, it's a beautiful little spot. All right. All right, there you go. Just wait for mine right now. Yeah, there you go. All right, here we go. Origin of Species, acai bowl, also the silverback gorilla, and then face plant shot. Here we go. All right, there you go. Pulp Lifestyle Kitchen. What's it off? Gallivan? But it's not easy to find. It's right around the corner, actually, from the Hilton and the Marriott. But yeah, you could kind of see it's kind of in between these buildings, but it's not on any of the main streets. Right there's it. Yeah, it's near, like I was saying, the Hilton. I think it's called Town Center. I'm pretty sure the Marriott Town Center. I may be incorrect about that. But anyways, right around the corner here is a Hilton. And so, anyways, if you get a chance, you might want to try it out. They play some hardcore rock and roll in there, which is kind of funny in itself, which I kind of liked. The food's very good. They have a lot of unique, different drinks, and even their acai bowl was a little different than I usually get, which was quite interesting. So yeah, if you get a chance, check it out. I'm gonna leave it at that. If you get a chance, check out my podcast, The Rich Celenza Show, WTF Are You Talking About? I'm also on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And if you know anything about me, I like to post different videos all over North America. My favorite smoothie joints that I go to, new ones, old ones, coffee houses, gyms, and things of that nature, restaurants, stuff like that. So, all right, take care, and if you get a chance, subscribe.